muna natin ang pagbabalik tanaw sa best moments natin ngayong taon. Ngayon, oras na para magkantahan. Narito na ang 5 certified paboritong pang-videoke song ng mga barangay.
Simulan natin with our top 5 song. Ang theme song ng mga nangangarap mag-artista. Marami dyan, partner. Gustong mag-artista. This is Irene Cara's Fame!
Baby, look at me and tell me what you see. You ain't seen the best of me yet. Give me time, I'll make you so with the rest. I got more in me, and you can't set it free. I can catch the moon in my head. Don't you know who I am? Remember my name.
I'm gonna live forever. I'm gonna learn how to fly, babe. I feel it coming together. People will see me and cry.
Babe, I'm gonna live forever. I'm gonna learn how to fly. I'll feel coming together. People will see me and cry. I'm gonna make it to heaven. Light up the sky like a flame. I'm gonna live forever. Baby, remember my name.
Pansin mo ba, partner? Parang nakakahinga talaga i-perform yung kantang yan, no? Agree ka ba sa ganun? Kasi pati sina Chad and Divine, muntik
Ay.
nang bumigay to think naging backup dancers lang sila, ha?
Backup lang yun.
Oo.
Parang yung background lang natin kanina, diba?
Feeling mo.
Feeling ko
May
ba din?
kutob ka?
Feeling ko ba?
Ako din, feeling ko.
Anyway, speaking of hingal, eto naman ang kantang bagay sa mga nag-feeling desirable at asa tono. Pero halos kapusinan ng hininga. Makapagpaki-SP lang. Coming in at number 4, Breathless by The Course.
Daylight's fading slowly, but time with you is standing still. I'm waiting for you only. The slightest touch and I feel real. I cannot run from you. I cannot hide.
And I'm losing the will to try. Can't fight it, can't fight it. So go on, come on, leave me breathless.
Set me, tease me until I can't deny it. Loving feeling, make me long for your kiss. Go on, yeah, come on.
Breathless na nga, partner. Todo pa rin ang pagkanta. Naku, basta premyo at palakpakan ang nakataya, lahat talaga kakabugin nila. Nakakabilib talaga ang mga karaokers natin, no? Sa kapal ng...
Faz!
Faz.
Moving on to our next top karaoke song, ang kanta para sa mga girls and boys na ayaw magpapigil pagdating sa pagpapasiklab. Barangay Karaoke's top 3 song, kailangan tatayo tayo
sige,
direct
sige.
nito, ha? Okay, Barangay Karaoke's top 3 song, Sex Bombs. Di ko na mapipigilan.
Mapipigilan.
Everybody dance! Come on! Oh, sumayaw na lahat tayo, sumunod ito!
Sa isipan ko, ikaw ang siyang ibinubulong. Di mo lang alam ang nararamdaman ko. Pag ikaw ay nakikita, ako'y nilalamig na sa kaba. At pag di ko napigilan, ako ay nalulunod na sa saya. Di ko na mapipigilan ang kaligayahan
O, diba?
Ang kaligaya.
Ang tanda lang ng step.
Aking nadarama. Bago yan, partner. Nako, ano ka? Nako, kaloka talaga kasi ang lakas talagang maka-LSS niyan, partner. Agree ka ba dyan?
Correct,
Kasi
no?
sa karaoke talaga, kahit sa bahay namin, yung mga yaya ng mga pamangkin ko, yun talagang kinakanta. Buti napigil natin ang mga sarili natin na mabatukan yung ibang mga nag-feelingera.
True ka dyan, partner. Nasabunutan lang. Anyway, puntahan naman natin ang very pikadong theme song ng Heartbroken at Sawi. Kumanta na ang mga nakaka-relate sa ating number 2 top song dito sa karaoke, ang Walang Kamatay,
I Will Survive
by Gloria Gaynor.
Nakabahan ako. Yeah, come on everybody! First I was afraid, I was pressed by. Keep thinking I could never live without you by my side. But then I spent so many nights thinking how you did wrong and I was wrong. I learned how to get along and so you're back from outer space. I'm just working to find you here inside a looking for a place.
I shouldn't say so stupid, look. I shouldn't make you see me. I have known for just 1 second. Give me back to what I mean.
Go now, go. Walk out the door. Just turn around now. 'Cause you're not welcome anymore. Weren't you the one who tried to hurt me with the bar? You think I'd crumble? You think I'll lay down and cry? Oh, no, not I. I will survive. Oh, as long as I know how to love, I know I'm still alive.
I've got all my life to live, and I've got all my life to give. I'll survive.
I will survive. Hey, hey.
Nako, classic talaga ang kantang yan. Buti na lang na-survive natin ang iba't ibang classic versions ng kantang yan sa karaoke natin last year.
At partner, narating na rin natin ang top song natin for this year.
I'm excited.
Eto na ang pinaka-paborito ninyo. It's official! Wag Umarte, ang kantang most requested sa lahat ng ating barangay na napuntahan. Ang top 1 para sa Karaoke's Year 1, Vong Navarro's Totoy Bibo!
Lahat lumuluwang mata at tinuloy kang palapit na. It's a bird, it's a plane, no, it's only me.
Remember and remember, i-remember me, Totoy Bibo. Woo! Bata pa ako, tinuruan ako ng lolo ng tango. Pasado, rumba, cha-cha, idinuro ng tatay ko. Pinagsama-sama ko, kaya ako ngayon'y bibong-bibo. Kaya ang tawag nila sa akin, Totoy Bibo.
Ang galing, galing kong sumayaw, galing kong gumalaw, galing kong sumayaw, galing kong gumalaw, galing kong sumayaw,
Oh, ang galing, galing sumayaw,
Galing gumalaw.
galing mo. Galing.
Nako, partner.
Parang
Parang gigolo lang yun, no?
pinapanood ka. Parang alam ko kung saan mo napapanood yung
Oh,
mga
hindi.
ganyan, partner.
Partner, ah. Nako,